Welcome back, Tech Guardians. I'm Trend, and today we're immersing ourselves in the critical realm of data security. Specifically, we'll tackle the menacing specter of ransomware attacks, the digital highway robbery that can cripple businesses and individuals alike. Let's armor up. Our first line of defense: software updates. Outdated software is like leaving the front door unlocked for cybercriminals. Vulnerabilities lurk in unpatched systems. Regularly update your operating systems, applications, and plugins. These patches often fix security holes. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware exploited an unpatched vulnerability, causing chaos worldwide. Let's learn from history and stay updated. Next up, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. 2FA requires an additional factor beyond passwords. It could be a text message, an authentication app, or a hardware token. It's like adding a second lock to your digital door. Even if your password is compromised, the attacker needs that extra factor. Ransomware attackers love default usernames and passwords. Change them immediately. Your digital safety net backups. Regularly back up critical data to external drives or secure cloud storage. Offline backups are immune to ransomware attacks. Why offline? Ransomware often targets accessible backups. Keep them disconnected when not needed. Imagine a fire drill for your data. Restore from backups to ensure they're complete and functional. Email hygiene. Beware the phishing bait. Educate yourself and your team. Recognize suspicious emails, especially those with unexpected attachments or urgent requests. Don't click blindly. Verify sender legitimacy. Hover over links to see where they lead. One wrong move can unleash ransomware. Stay skeptical, even if the email seems urgent. Endpoint security. Guard your devices, install reputable security software and keep it updated. Configure firewalls to block malicious traffic. It's like having guards at your digital gates. Allow only trusted apps to run. Say no to unauthorized software. Assess your endpoints periodically. Remember, prevention is our superpower. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build a ransomware-resistant community.